Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to use iTunes gift card for Robux. So if you want to use your iTunes card for any purchases, so what you can do, firstly open up your App Store and then add your iTunes card to your Apple ID. So once you've opened your App Store, go to your account here on your top right. So click on your account, and once you've logged into your account, you'll see an option called redeem gift card or code. So simply click that, and then here try to redeem your iTunes gift card. So click on you can either take a photo of your iTunes gift card or enter the code manually. Once you're done with that, hit on redeem. So once you've redeemed, then your iTunes gift card will be added to your App Store, to your Apple ID. So now you can simply go to Robux. So if you want to make any use on Robux or for any purchase or anything, so if you go to your Robux and then if you want to make any purchase, for example, let me go to purchase here. So I'm going to just make a purchase here, for example here. So if I select a package and then if I hit on purchase, so this will take me to my App Store here. So since I've already added my iTunes balance on my App Store, so now all I have to do is simply hit on subscribe. So the payment will be used from my App Store, which has been topped up with my iTunes balance. So that's how you can use your gift card on Robux. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.